Hey, Gabe.
Andy!
How are you, man?
I'm doing good.
Good to see you. Is that what I think it is?
It is. But before this, I like that shirt.
Well, thanks. I'm thrilled to be part of the Legend team. So, Gabe, give me a fast overview of the features and specs associated with the new LGR 5000Li.
First off, handle.
Wow.
Yep. Wheels.
Yep.
So it's going to roll it in, roll it out. A lot easier than carrying, right? This here just happens to be stacked up. We think this is a big deal. You can do 2 dehumidifiers, 1 doorway. So it's a big deal because you don't have to make 2 trips. Cord storage, hose storage, 1 filter.
Smart.
5 amps. So 80 pints per day at 5 amps. Industry leading as far as the amp draw on the right side.
Do clients have the ability to attach ducting or lay flat to the discharge air on this machine?
Oh, great question, Andy. Absolutely. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's a 10-inch lay flat.
Okay.
And it's similar to what we've done in the past. It actually goes right here. And you can see it's actually got a duct ring built right into it.
Oh, sure.
So this it's super easy. It just pulls right off. Take your lay flat, pull it through, pop it in, and you've got your duct ring ready.
So tell me about the control board.
You've used the HEPA 700 before,
Sure,
right?
of course.
Same control board. It's called the command hub.
Yep.
So let me just show it to you here real quick. So this unit here does run the command hub, like I said, and I'll tell you, if you want to see all the features, it's really important that you get the Command Center Pro app. It'll be on your app store, whether it's Android or iPhone. It'll actually say Dry-Ease Command Center Pro, and it'll look like that.
Perfect. So that's just a free download on your mobile device?
Yep. Now, one of the big things is it works Bluetooth, and it also works Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Another cool feature about this unit is, if I turn it on for just a second, you'll see this. See how it's blue?
Yeah.
So blue means it's working.
Okay.
Red, or a flashing red, means that unit has an issue. So you turn the unit on.
Okay.
Believe it or not, this is actually running.
I can't believe how quiet it is. It's pretty good. You know, what I love about the decibel level of it is it is quiet. And again, I think that's going to lend itself to avoiding homeowners from turning the equipment off because it's annoying. So job well done on the decibel level, by the way.
On the actual command hub, you're going to see your RH. You are going to see your temperature.
Okay.
You're going to see your grains per pound, and that's all going to be right here on the command hub itself, or it'll also be on your Command Center Pro app.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Gabe, it's a great unit that Legend Brands has put together. Certainly a game changer from its predecessor, the Revolution. And again, going back to like how we started this conversation, I can't believe how compact it is.
Yeah.
And most importantly, you know, Legends has listened to the end user in what they wanted in a next generation of dehumidifiers. So job well done.
We think it's a unit that's going to really make a lot of sense for a lot of people.